And now we're back to Mumei. My
Hi.
favorite Mumei's turn.
I guess there's nowhere for me to go except into the red. So I'll go into the red.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
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 Good luck.
Thank you.
You'll still have to
Have
spin the
fun.
bad wheel, even though you're my favorite.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Ruh-roh. Which one's that? Oh, that's
Like
okay.
a 10 to me.
Well,
Mumei.
but it looked like a 10, and Fauna really cares about how things look.
It was
Fauna.
Like a
10 to
fireball
me.
scroll.
It's like, yeah.
Thank you.
But
Go
it
down
may
to
not be a
7
fireball
gold.
scroll.
Wow. The cheating. Big game.
Oh shoot, that's okay.
Wow. I spy treasure.
So adorable, so cute, so precious and perfect.
Bless you.
A terrifying dragon.
Oh, this one's not.
Oh.
Uh-oh.